8 early symptoms of cancer. In males must know. Did you know that early detection can save lives? In this video, we're diving into 8 early symptoms of cancer in males that you absolutely must know. These signs are easy to overlook, but catching them early can make all the difference. From subtle changes in your body to warning signs you might not even think about, we'll break it all down for you in simple terms. Stick around because prioritizing your health starts with awareness. Trust me, this is knowledge every man needs. Before we dive in, do your future self a favor, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell. Why? Because staying healthy starts with staying informed, and I've got your back. Let's get started. Today we're diving deep into a topic that's incredibly important for every man out there: the early symptoms of cancer. We all know someone affected by cancer, and it's a scary thing to think about. But knowledge is power, and recognizing the early warning signs can make a world of difference. We'll be discussing 8 specific symptoms that you should never ignore. Remember, this video is not a substitute for professional medical advice. It's about empowering you with information so you can take control of your health. If you experience any of the symptoms we discuss, please don't hesitate to reach out to your doctor. Early detection is often the key to successful treatment. Symptom number 1: weight loss. Have you noticed your clothes fitting looser recently, even though you haven't been dieting or exercising more? This can be puzzling and even alarming. While losing a few pounds can be normal, a sudden and unexplained drop in weight can be a warning sign of several types of cancer. It's important to pay attention to these changes. We're talking about a significant decrease, typically 10 pounds or more, that happens without any effort on your part. This kind of weight loss is not something to ignore. This isn't about celebrating a slimmer waistline. It's about understanding the potential message your body is sending. Your body might be trying to tell you something important. Cancer cells are notorious energy hogs. They consume more energy than normal cells. They grow and multiply rapidly, consuming vast amounts of your body's resources. This rapid growth requires a lot of energy, which can lead to weight loss. This can lead to a metabolic shift, causing you to lose weight even if your appetite hasn't changed. Your body starts using more energy than it takes in. In cancers like stomach, lung, or pancreatic cancer, this unexplained weight loss can be an early symptom. It's one of the body's ways of signaling that something is wrong. The tumor's growth interferes with your body's ability to process food and absorb nutrients, leading to weight loss. This interference can be quite significant. Of course, weight loss alone doesn't automatically mean cancer. There are other factors to consider. It could be due to stress, thyroid issues, or other medical conditions. Each of these can also cause weight changes. But if you're experiencing sudden, unexplained weight loss, especially if it's accompanied by other symptoms we'll discuss, it's crucial to talk to your doctor. Early detection can make a significant difference in treatment outcomes. Symptom number 2: persistent cold. We all get coughs from time to time, especially during cold and flu season. It's a common occurrence that most of us don't think twice about. A simple cough can be a minor inconvenience, a sign that our body is fighting off an infection. But a cough that lingers for weeks, especially if it's accompanied by other symptoms, should never be ignored. Persistent coughing can be a red flag, indicating that something more serious might be going on. It could be a sign of lung cancer, a disease that often doesn't show symptoms in its early stages. Early detection is crucial, as it can significantly improve the chances of successful treatment. Pay close attention to the characteristics of your cough. Not all coughs are the same, and understanding the nature of your cough can provide important clues. Is it dry and hacking, or is it producing phlegm? Each type of cough can be associated with different underlying conditions. A cough that produces blood is a particularly alarming sign and warrants immediate medical attention. This could indicate a serious issue that needs prompt evaluation. Lung cancer can irritate the airways, triggering a persistent cough. This irritation can cause discomfort and make it difficult to go about daily activities. As the tumor grows, it can press on the breathing tubes, making the cough worse or causing shortness of breath. This pressure can lead to significant breathing difficulties and requires medical intervention. Other possible causes of a persistent cough include bronchitis, pneumonia, or even acid reflux. Each of these conditions has its own set of symptoms and treatment options. However, if your cough lasts for more than a few weeks, gets worse over time, or is accompanied by chest pain, wheezing, or shortness of breath, it's essential to see your doctor. Early consultation can help identify the cause and ensure you receive the appropriate care. Symptom number 3: gut changes. Our digestive systems are complex, and occasional changes in bowel habits are normal. But when these changes become persistent or severe, they can signal a problem, potentially even colon cancer. Pay attention to your body's signals. Are you experiencing sudden bouts of diarrhea or constipation that last for more than a few days? Have you noticed blood in your stool or a change in its color or consistency? Colon cancer can affect how your bowels function. As the tumor grows, it can obstruct the passage of stool, leading to constipation or diarrhea. It can also irritate the lining of the colon, causing bleeding or mucus in your stool. While these symptoms can be caused by other conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, or hemorrhoids, it's crucial to rule out anything serious. If you experience persistent changes in your bowel habits, don't hesitate to consult your doctor. Symptom number 4, body changes. Our bodies are constantly changing, but any new lump or growth, especially one that appears suddenly or grows rapidly, should never be ignored. This is particularly important for lumps in areas like the testicles, breasts, or lymph nodes. Testicular cancer is most common in younger men, and a lump or swelling in the testicle is often the first sign. Breast cancer in men is rare but possible, and any lump or swelling in the breast area should be checked by a doctor. Lymph nodes are small bean-shaped glands that filter waste products from the body. Swollen lymph nodes can indicate an infection, but they can also be a sign of lymphoma, a type of cancer that affects the lymphatic system. Make it a habit to perform regular self-exams to check for any unusual lumps or bumps. If you notice anything concerning, don't hesitate to schedule an appointment with your doctor. Symptom number 5, difficulty swallowing. We often take the simple act of swallowing for granted, but when it becomes difficult or painful, it can be a sign of a serious underlying condition, including throat or esophageal cancer. If you experience persistent difficulty swallowing, especially if it's accompanied by pain, choking, or a sensation that food is stuck in your throat, it's essential to seek medical attention. Throat cancer can affect the voice box, vocal cords, or other parts of the throat, making it difficult to swallow. Esophageal cancer, on the other hand, affects the esophagus, the tube that carries food from your mouth to your stomach. Other possible causes of difficulty swallowing include acid reflux, GERD, or even a simple cold. However, if the problem persists or worsens, it's crucial to get it checked out by a medical professional. Symptom number 6, tiredness. We all feel tired from time to time, especially after a long day or a poor night's sleep. But persistent fatigue, the kind that lingers for weeks or even months and doesn't improve with rest, can be a sign of something more serious, including certain types of cancer. If you're constantly feeling exhausted, even after getting enough sleep, and your fatigue is interfering with your daily life, it's essential to talk to your doctor. Leukemia, a cancer of the blood and bone marrow, can cause persistent fatigue. The disease disrupts the production of healthy blood cells, leading to anemia and fatigue. Other cancers can also cause fatigue, as they consume your body's energy and release substances that disrupt normal bodily functions. If you're experiencing unexplained, persistent fatigue, it's crucial to rule out any underlying medical conditions. If you're thinking, wow, I didn't know that, you're not alone. Give this video a thumbs up so more guys like you can learn these life-saving tips. Sharing is caring, right? Symptom number 7, skin changes. Our skin is the largest organ in our body, and it's constantly exposed to the elements. It acts as a barrier, protecting us from harmful substances and regulating our body temperature. While most skin changes are harmless, some can be a sign of skin cancer, the most common type of cancer in the United States. Skin cancer can affect anyone, regardless of age, gender, or skin type. Pay close attention to any new moles or growths on your skin, especially if they change in size, shape, or color. These changes can be early indicators of skin cancer, and early detection is crucial for successful treatment. Be on the lookout for sores that don't heal, patches of skin that are rough or scaly, or any unusual bleeding or discharge from a mole. These symptoms can be warning signs of more serious conditions that require medical attention. Melanoma is the most dangerous type of skin cancer, and it can develop from existing moles or appear as new dark spots on the skin. It can spread rapidly to other parts of the body if not treated promptly. Basal cell carcinoma and squamous cell carcinoma are less aggressive forms of skin cancer, but they can still cause disfigurement if left untreated. These types of cancer are more common but generally less deadly than melanoma. Protect your skin from the sun's harmful UV rays by wearing sunscreen, seeking shade, and covering up with clothing. Regularly applying sunscreen with a high SPF can significantly reduce your risk of developing skin cancer. If you notice any unusual changes in your skin, don't hesitate to see a dermatologist. Early diagnosis and treatment can make a significant difference in outcomes. so it's important to be proactive about your skin health. Symptom number 8. Pain. Pain is our body's way of signaling that something is wrong. While most pain is temporary and resolves on its own, persistent pain, especially if it's severe or doesn't have an obvious cause, can be a sign of a more serious underlying condition, including cancer. If you experience ongoing pain, especially in the bones, back, chest, or abdomen, it's essential to consult your doctor. Bone pain can be a sign of bone cancer or cancer that has spread to the bones from other parts of the body. Back pain is a common complaint, but persistent back pain that's accompanied by other symptoms like weight loss, fatigue, or bowel or bladder problems could indicate a spinal tumor or another type of cancer. Don't ignore persistent pain. Talk to your doctor to determine the underlying cause and receive appropriate treatment. Thank you for joining us today as we explored these 8 potential warning signs of cancer in males. Remember, this video is meant to be informative, not to replace the advice of a medical professional. If you're experiencing any of the symptoms we discussed, please don't hesitate to reach out to your doctor. Early detection is often the key to successful treatment. Your health is your most valuable asset. Take charge of it today, stay informed, be proactive, and don't be afraid to ask questions. Okay, now that you're armed with this knowledge, don't keep it to yourself. Share this video with your dad, brother, or best friend. And hey, drop a comment below if you learned something new. Let's keep this conversation going because health is wealth.